We're so excited about our beautiful new career and technical education building, which houses automotive maintenance, automotive collision repair, building trades and construction, and our newest CTE program, aviation maintenance.
This is an example of a business community, Orlando Sanford Airport, telling us what they need and us beginning to deliver a workforce to you. It's what it's all about.
The Seminole County community has spoken loud and clear that they want a commitment to career and technical education for our students moving forward. So this is not because of us, honestly, it's because of you giving us the voice and allowing us to be bold and stepping out in projects like this.
In the world of aviation, there's a growing need for all of these types of jobs, and our airport is growing very rapidly, and as the workforce transitions out into retirement, it just presents itself as an opportunity that needs to, and a need that needs to be met.